Okay, so now we're gonna protect the other route. So we have the get method, and now we are in localhost 5000 API user /me, and we get the message showing how to protect a route. So, and this is the message that we have for the user, where it was user controller. Okay, if we go into the get me, login user, data display. So pretty much we are getting this information just showing up. So what we are gonna do is we want to get the information. So for example, what we are gonna do is we are gonna rest that status. So this is asynchronous, that's fine. So we open curly braces, and we can just pretty much delete this whole thing. Okay, so we are gonna need right now rest that status, okay, and it's gonna be 200, okay, and then we're gonna have that JSON, and we want the user ID, and we have it in the request that user. Okay, so it's gonna be request that user. And how do you know it's in the request that user? Because we put it there. Because if we go into the middleware, into the auth middleware right here, and this variable protect. Okay, so we have this token, and inside of the token we have the ID, the user ID. Okay, and we are saving it or storing it in here in this request that user. So we are getting the user from the token. Okay, so we are just gonna, in the parentheses, we're just gonna pass this request that user. So that's what we are doing here, JSON, and then we are request that user. And let me see if I go right here. So let me see, I'm already logged in. Let me see, login, and the body I am logging with. Let me see. Well, let's go into the localhost 5000. Okay, API /user /me. This is a get method. Let's send it. So let's see what happens. And the name. Okay, so we have everything. We have now the ID. The name is PJS Math. The email is math PJS, and also we have create ad and update app, so timestamps. So that's fine. And here you have this token, so you can show it, for example, like that, and we can omit, for example, a letter. So at the end we have a W2 M, so let's delete that M. Okay, so let's hide it again, and let's send it. Okay, error, so not authorized. Okay, so let's, I think it was capital M, so let's close it and let's send it again. Okay, that's fine. So now, as you can see, we are able to get the information of the person, of the user that is logged in. So for example, now I only have 2 users, I think. Let me see, I have let's log in with just PJS. Okay, so here we were logging with math PJS. So I have created the user PJS, and the password is this one. So I'm gonna log in. Okay, so this is a post method, so keep that in mind. Let me put here. So the name PJS, the email is PJS, and this is the token. Okay, so if we grab this token, we're gonna grab this token, we're gonna go to the get method, and again we are in authorization. We're gonna pick, we have a bunch of where we can pick, but we are gonna pick the better token. So we're gonna go right here, delete this and paste it. Okay, so right now we haven't sent it yet. So here we have math PJS. So this new user is gonna have just PJS email because it's a different user. So let's send it. And yeah, we have the PJS. Okay, this is the ID, create that. As you can see, these are two different users. Okay, so we are able to do that.